Flooding occurred in the city of Denpasar, Bali after rainfall since Saturday, January 27, 2024 in the afternoon. Water stays at number of points even though the rain lasts not too long. Detik Bali monitoring flooding occurred along Jalan Raya Puputan. Water snakes with height of approximately an adult's knee. This was recognized by one of the drivers. Some vehicles passing Jalan Raya Puputan seemed very careful in driving. This is because some points of the road are still waterlogged and the conditions are quite slippery. A number of motorcycles were also seen breaking down as a result of crashing through the puddles on Jalan Raya Puputan. One motorcycle owner named Victor, age 20, admitted that his motorcycle had broken down since 6 o'clock in the afternoon. The motorcycle got stuck from the direction of Jalan Merdeka Denpasar. Until now, the motorcycle can start, he said when met by Detik Bali on Saturday night. According to him, the only solution for this condition is to ask his friend to help push his motorcycle. I'm waiting for a friend
di
to
depan
help me
itu
push
Jalan
the
Merdeka.
motorcycle. The position of the house in permukaan
Datna Denpasar, ketinggian air sudah melebihi trotoar.
Not far from Victor's location, Detik Bali met Profit, the owners of motorcycle that was also broken down. The man from Banyuwangi Regency East Jawa admit that this was the first time he had encountered flooding as high as adult's knee in the area. Usually, the flooding is not this height and the motorcycle can still be carried. During the previous flood, he said. Rofik admit that his motorcycle had broken down since 7 p.m. This was because he forced his motorcycle to brake through the flood at the time. Earlier, the motorcycle could run and then died again. Now I am waiting to be picked up by my family because the motorcycle broke down, he admitted. A rider named Victor tries to start his motorcycle that broke down due to flooding on Jalan Raya Puputan, Denpasar City, Bali, Saturday, 27, 2024. That's all news I can convey today. I'm Permana, today's news presenter. Thank you and see you at the same time program tomorrow. Bye bye.